Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the GIGASTONE Game Turbo 64GB DDR4 memory kit. This kit boasts a configuration of 4x16GB sticks, running at a speedy 3,200 MHz with timings of CL16-18-18-40. It's designed for desktop PCs and supports both Intel XMP 2.0 and AMD Ryzen platforms, operating at a standard 1.35V. First impressions are important, and the white aesthetic of these sticks is clean and modern. The RGB implementation is also well done, featuring 8 individually addressable LEDs per stick. This allows for a good level of customization to match your existing build's color scheme. But aesthetics are only part of the equation. Performance is key, and this GIGASTONE kit delivers. The 3,200 MHz speed is a sweet spot for many modern systems, providing a noticeable boost in gaming and other memory-intensive tasks compared to slower kits. The CL16 timings are respectable for this speed, striking a good balance between performance and price. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with installing RAM. The kit is a standard 288-pin UDIM, making it compatible with a wide range of desktop motherboards. Just make sure your motherboard supports DDR4 memory and has enough slots to accommodate all 4 sticks. The XMP 2.0 support is a welcome feature, allowing you to easily enable the rated speeds and timings in your BIOS without having to manually configure everything. This is especially useful for those who are not comfortable with overclocking. For AMD Ryzen users, the kit is also designed to work seamlessly, ensuring optimal performance on those platforms as well. In terms of real-world performance, the GIGASTONE Game Turbo kit shines. In gaming, it provides smoother frame rates and reduced stuttering, especially in titles that are heavily reliant on memory bandwidth. In content creation tasks, such as video editing and rendering, the extra memory capacity and speed can significantly reduce processing times. The 64 GB capacity is also a major selling point. While 16 GB or 32 GB might be sufficient for many users, 64 GB provides ample headroom for demanding applications, multitasking, and future-proofing your system. If you're a serious gamer, content creator, or someone who frequently works with large datasets, this kit is definitely worth considering. One thing to note is that this kit is unbuffered and non-ECC, which is typical for consumer-grade memory. ECC memory is generally used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. Overall, the GIGASTONE Game Turbo 64GB DDR4 kit is a solid performer with a stylish design and a competitive price point. It's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their system's memory capacity and speed. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply someone who wants a smoother and more responsive computing experience. The combination of speed, capacity, and RGB lighting makes it a well-rounded package that should satisfy most users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.